Gaming as a sector in India, I think it is growing very fast, actually unattendedly fast. The brands which are curating the growth, the vision, the thought process of how gaming industry is taking shape in future. It's quite interesting. This collaboration was somewhat my part of playing and shaping that industry in a way where customization could have been introduced in PCs and in general being a point of expression. That was my reason for coming out and doing this collaboration.
We believe in the infusion of science and art. We believe that the normal computers can look very, very aesthetically pleasing, and we are the company that is doing so. When we found out that there's this opportunity to collaborate with AORUS and Fox My Box, we said we are going to do this for sure.
I remember a time when I had an assembled PC with a Celeron chip in it. It took literally seasons from one browser to another as compared to today.
This is the only thing I know, how to interact with computers, how to make stuff out of computing power.
A very Fox My Box point of view, it is another product to be designed and aesthetically upgraded. I say the sentence, design only holds relevance to those whom it is designed for. And this was designed for a winner. We started brainstorming on the design. It had to be a very core level, something relatable to every gamer that is out there.
When my custom PC broke down, it took me 7 days to get my PC up and running. In Make My Rig, we believe that you don't have to visit any service center ever. We will get your PC up and running in 24 hours is Make My Rig for you. This is one PC जो user इस side नहीं उस side ज़्यादा रखेगा.
I remember that when you were talking about the person would not use the glass
Glass वाला side
and
and
the other side.
the other side.